Good morning, grade 4. Welcome back to grade 4 mathematics class. How are you all doing today? So we have started the chapter problem solving skills. So today in this class, we are going to discuss a problem solving strategy. It is how to solve problems by drawing a picture, a diagram or a flow chart. So to begin with, let me tell you a very simple example. So remember how you learned to add or subtract numbers in kindergarten. You will draw pictures or you will be shown pictures to count them and find the solution to an addition or subtraction problem. Let's see. If I have 5 stars with me and adding 2 more stars to it, how would you find out the total number of stars? See, I draw 5 stars and then I am adding 2 more stars to it. And how will I find out the total number of stars? You'll just count the total number of stars and then you'll write the answer. That's how you would do in kindergarten, right? So it is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So we know that 5 plus 2 equals 7. So this is one very simple example of how you would draw pictures to solve a problem. Now suppose I am going from Anakal to Kanjapalli. I am going to take the main road or the main route. Now imagine my friend is asking me how to go to Kanjapalli from a school to the main road or the main road. So I may draw a picture or a diagram and show to him or her like this one. Let this be our school and then I'll tell him or her, go straight from the school gate, go straight, then you reach Anakal. And from Anakal, you take right and then you go straight to reach Peta Junction. And at Peta Junction, you have to take the right. So I'll write right here and then you reach Kanjapalli. So I may show a route map like this so that it will be easy for him or her to understand the route. So this is another simple example of how you can use a picture or a diagram to solve a problem. So in general, you can draw a picture, a diagram or a flow chart to solve a problem. So this word flow chart might be new to you. So what is a flow chart? You can say a flow chart is an easy to understand diagram which will show you the different steps in solving a problem. And you will also see arrows in a flow chart which will help you to understand the direction of flow of the different steps. Let's see that again. A flow chart is an easy to understand diagram that shows the different steps in solving a problem using symbols and arrows that show the direction of flow of the steps. And what you see here is a typical example of a flow chart. And do you see some symbols here? You can see different symbols here and also arrows which shows the direction of flow of different steps. So in a flow chart, we mainly use 4 symbols like this one. The first symbol you see here is an extended circle or an oval shape and it shows the beginning or the ending of a problem solving process. And then you have the arrow which shows the direction of flow of the different steps that you are using to solve the problem. And then you can see a parallelogram here which will represent some input or output that you're using in the process. A rectangle is used to show a task or an action or a process or a calculation that you do to solve the process of problem solving. And then you see this diamond shape that shows where a decision is to be taken. So these are the basic things about a flow chart. Now we'll see a simple example of how to draw a flow chart. So suppose you are planning to go to the store and it is about to rain. And if it is raining, you are not going to go to the store. And how would you represent this in a flow chart? See, to mark the start, I am going to draw an extended circle and I am writing start in this. So the next one is to decide whether it is raining or not now. So I am drawing an arrow. Now in a diamond box, I am going to write, is it raining? Now, if it is raining, you are not going to the store. So, here we are making a decision. So if the answer is yes, that means if it is raining, you are not going to the store. So what action I am taking? Stay at home. What is the next step? Stop. We solve the problem. You are not going to the store because it is raining. Now what if it is not raining? So here the answer to the decision is no. Is it raining? No. So what happens next? I will have to go to the store. So here in this rectangle, I am going to write that action that I have to do. Go to store. And after going to the store, the process or the problem is solved. The process ends or stops. So I am going to draw an arrow towards stop. So this was a simple example of how to draw a flowchart. You see, drawing a picture or diagram or a flowchart comes in very handy when you are trying to solve bigger problems, especially when you are trying to work with a team. It will be very easy for you to communicate to the entire team. You are representing the different steps to be taken using a simple flowchart or a diagram. Now we will see an example from your textbook. Let me read the question to you. 8 teams are playing in a tournament. The season's champion will be decided by removing the team out of the tournament if it loses a match. How many matches will the season's champion team have to play? So what is mentioned in the question? So there is this tournament and how many teams are playing? 8 teams are playing. Now you have to decide how many matches should a team play to win the tournament, to become the champions. So let the teams be team 1, team 2, team 3 and so on till T8. So you have 8 teams and let the first match be between team 1 and team 2. Now team 1 and team 2 plays the match, then there will be a winner. So let the winner be W1. So after the match between team 1 and team 2, there is a winner, that is W1. Now let the next match be between T3, team 3 and team 4. So there will also be a winner and let that be winner 2 or W2. Similarly, team 5 and team 6 will also play a match together. Then team 7 and team 8. Now let the winners be W1, W2, W3, W4. So after the first set of matches, we have 4 winners. Now these winners are going to play matches between each other. So now the next match, let it be between winner 1 and winner 2. So here also there will be a winner and let the next match be between W3 and W4. So here also there will be a winner. Now let W5, winner 5 is the winner of match between winner 1 and winner 2 and let W6 be the winner of the match between W3 and W4. Now these two teams will play together and there will be a winner and let that winner be W7. So this is the final winner or the champion of the tournament. Now see, imagine the winner of the match between T1 and T2 be team 1. So right now team 1 has played 1 match. Now imagine the winner of the match between W1 and W2 be team 1 itself. So again team 1 is the winner. Now the winner here W5 is team 1. Now the next match is between team 1 and the winner number 6. So here also let team 1 be the winner. So how many matches did team 1 play? You see, team 1 played 3 matches to become the winner 7 or the champion team. So instead of imagining all these matches in your mind or this whole tournament in your mind, drawing this diagram made it easier for us to determine the winner or the champion of the tournament. So similar to this, can you please try to solve a problem where 12 teams are playing? You have to draw a diagram using 12 teams and decide how many matches should the winning team play to win the tournament, to become the champions. So here we used 8 teams. Now you have to use 12 teams and draw a diagram like this. So this one you can do as an activity. Now we will see one more example from the textbook. The lengths of 3 chains are 5 cm, 7 cm and 13 cm. How can you use these chains to measure a length of 11 cm? So what is mentioned in the question? You have 3 chains with you. One is 5 cm, the next one is 7 cm and the third one is 13 cm. Now you are asked to find out a possible placement or arrangement of these 3 chains together so that you can measure a length of 11 cm. How would you solve this? Just think about it. How we can place these chains together to measure a length of 11 cm. Let's see one arrangement now. Let this be the first arrangement. Here in this arrangement, we have placed the 7 cm chain and the 13 cm chain side by side. So, there will be a total length of this 7 plus 13, that is equal to 20 cm. And above these 2 chains, you are placing the 5 cm chain here. So, till here it is 7 plus 13, 20 and till here it is 5. So, what would be this length? This length would be this 7 plus 13 minus this 5, right? So, that is equal to 7 plus 13 is 20 minus 5 is equal to 15 centimeter. So, till here it is 20 centimeter and till here it is 5 centimeter. So, from here to here it will be 15 centimeter, 20 minus 5. But we are asked to measure 11 centimeter. So, this arrangement will not work. So, let's see a different arrangement. Let this be arrangement 2. Now, in this arrangement, we have placed the 13 centimeter chain alone and above that we have kept the 5 centimeter and the 7 centimeter chains side by side. Now, from here to here it is 13 centimeter and above that from here to here it is 5 centimeter, here to here the second chain it is 7 centimeter. So, together this will form this 5 plus 7 is equal to 12 centimeter and here it is 13 centimeter till here it is 12 centimeter. So, what is remaining? 1 centimeter is remaining. So, would it be easy to measure 11 centimeter using this arrangement? No, it won't be that easy. So, this arrangement also does not seem to be working. So, let's see a different one, a third arrangement. So, in this arrangement, first we have placed the 13 centimeter chain, then side to side we have placed the 5 centimeter chain. So, together this will make 13 plus 5 is equal to 18 centimeter and above this arrangement we are placing the 7 centimeter chain. So, from here to here it is 18 centimeter and from here to here it is 7 centimeter. So, what is remaining? What is remaining will be equal to this 18, the whole 18 minus this 7 and that is equal to 11 centimeter. So, this length is equal to 11 centimeter. See, we have done an arrangement in which we can measure 11 centimeter by placing these 3 chains in the proper way. So, this is a solution to this problem. So, hope you are clear with this one. Now, you have to go through this topic through pages 183 and 184 of your textbook. Then once you have gone through the topic, you have to do one question as a homework today. You can see this question under the heading "Try this" in page number 184. So, this is how you can use 4 rods of length 2 cm, 5 cm, 7 cm and 9 cm to measure a length of 1 cm. So, similar to the example of chains, the arrangement of chains to measure length of 11 cm, you can try different arrangements of rods of lengths 2 cm, 5 cm, 7 cm and 9 cm to measure the length of 1 cm. Do try this, and if you come up with a solution, take a picture and then send us to teams. So children, that's all for today. We'll meet in the next class with a new problem solving strategy. Till then, bye.